Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you a new story about the centrifuge. It was Spanish catenate centrifuge. We got it from our customer from Sweden who bought several machines from us, including our centrifuge, Protimo centrifuge. And he said, guys, could you please repair my old centrifuge? We said, okay, no problem. Bring it to us and we'll make it the best for me. So right now I'm gonna tell you what have been done to this centrifuge. Okay, let's start. The first thing, and it was the biggest problem, was with the inner drum. It was cracked. There was a big crack. You can see it in the picture. A big crack in it, and the customer couldn't use it anymore. So we had to fix it. Right now it's absolutely okay, absolutely fine. Later on we had a problem with the doors here in this point, and we had to fix it and rebuild it a little bit. Actually, the machine, the main body of the machine was also a little bit changed, and it is right now it is a little bit wider and looks a little bit different, and we believe it will be right now more stable, and there won't be any vibration right now. We also changed the air cushions because previously it was a different system. So here on this side, this pneumatic actuator is the same, but here in this part, two more pneumatic actuators, they were changed, and these cushions they were changed also. In this place, right now you can see what parts have been changed. So you can see bearings, you can see the flags, bodies, actuators. So all these parts have been changed. The back side of the machine, belts also have been changed here. What else? The motor, the engine, which stays the same. It was okay. This control panel, this also control box is also okay. It was okay. We didn't touch it. Just checked. Here in this tube with the cable inside also have been changed. These connectors, these and these connectors, everything here inside, it was also changed. By the way, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And this part was also changed. Everything here, because it was a lot of rust on it. Right now it is from Inox stainless steel, and it looks perfect. From my point of view, right now it looks like a new machine, and I'm pretty sure that our customer will be satisfied with our work, and he'll be able to use this machine for many years more. And what I'd like to say, if you have any old centrifuge, you can bring it to us. We can make it look like new, rebuild it if necessary, to change some parts, to make a good service of it, and I believe it would be much cheaper for you than to buy a new machine. And if you are satisfied with the machine, it would be like giving it a new life. So please welcome, write, phone, call, send me an email with the picture of your machine, and we can send you how much it's gonna cost, and we can work together. So you are welcome. See you in our next videos.